Okay, so anyway, as you can see, I got a screw in here. Got to fix the tire, and I got to take it off and put a new tube in. So first, I'm just going to unscrew it, get it out of there. Let's see how big this sucker is. So that thing screwed up my tire. Let's see if there's any other ones. All right, I think we're good. Now we got to take the tire off and put the tube in. So I'm just going to use my little wrench here, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just get it a little bit loose so that I can pop it off. No big deal. It's not that hard to do. Just got to have a little wrench, and it loosens up for you. And then the tire comes right off. Or maybe it doesn't. Let's see. I'm here and prep it. Yeah, there we go. All right, we got her off. Okay, now I got to take that the wheel off, or the tube out. All right, you don't have to pull the whole tire off. You just got to get the edge off, and that's what we're going to do. So the way I do it is I just get a little screwdriver here, and I just kind of go all the way around the edge like that, and it just pops off. So I'm just going around now, popping it off of here. As you can see, I've got most of it off. Once I do this, once I popped it to this one side, then I can get inside and pull the, I gotta unhook this cap. All right, and now I just push this in. I just push that in. And I'm gonna pull the tube out because that tube's got a hole in it. So it just comes out really easy. You just kind of pull it out, bam. And some people would plug the tube. I'm just gonna put a new one in. So that tube's out. And I got my other tubes over here. Here it is. It's a 26 incher, extra strong, and we're gonna put that baby in there. That's what it looks like when you pull it out of the box. And there's what we're putting in there right now. Be careful pulling the plastic off. Don't use anything sharp, because you don't want to put a hole in your tube. All right. So that's that. I don't want to let all the single-use plastic. It's ridiculous. They should just put it in there regular. But look at all this extra stuff. I got all that bag, that box, all that junk. I mean, we're just so stupid in America. All right, so we got her kind of laid out. And this part here, I gotta feed it through that hole from the inside first. But you gotta take the cap off, otherwise it won't go through. Just kind of push it down in there, and then feed that right through that little hole. You want to get it kind of nice and flat like that before you get it to the hole, and then you just kind of feed it right through that little hole right there. So there, I got it coming through the hole. We're looking good. Now we can go ahead and push it all the way through, all the way around, and get it inside there, which I'm going to do now. Spread it out, and I'm going to smush it down in there. You know, I got to use both hands, so you guys have to. So what I'm trying to do is try to keep it nice and flat in there. So I'm just kind of pushing it into the bottom of the thing like that. As I do it, I'm kind of rolling the tire this way. Original position over here. And I got to try to get that straight, because we want this thing straight in there like that. Then you're going to go ahead and put your cap back on. Well, you don't have to, because we're going to have to blow it up. So let's leave the cap off. All I got to do is just kind of pop this back on there. Just go all the way around and just make sure it just gets in there. And it's pretty. This one's pretty easy. Some of the tires that they don't want to fit in there. This one's popping off, but we just got to use both hands to do it. So hang on. Okay, now we got it in there. Looks pretty good. And what I got to do now is I got to pump it up. So I'm going to get my pump, and we're going to go ahead and pump it up, and then we'll put it back on the bike. All right, here's my pump. It's got a little pressure gauge on it, so we got to get it to about, I think it's got to go up to about 40. So right now it shows nothing. I'm going to just hook it on there. I'm going to go ahead and pump it up. Hopefully it'll work good. Okay, so now we're hooked up. All I got to do is start pumping. I just got to start pumping her. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pump her up. You can see it's kind of filling Kind of fills that whole area up once you start putting air in it. All right, so now we can squeeze it a little bit. And what it's done is we want to make sure that it's all on there good. All right, looks good. All right, we're looking good. We're at about 20. We're about 20 pounds. I got to get this thing up to about 40. Tire. Seems to be going good. Getting close. Couple more pumps. I think we're just about there. One more maybe. Yeah, we're like about 40. So I think we're good. You see maximum recommended inflation pressure 40 pounds. So it's maximum recommended 40 psi. I think we're there. One more pump. Man, won't let me put any more in. All right, that's it. This one. All right, hey, you can show your students this one. I was a dog lover, but I also can fix tires. And I don't remember. I think it goes like this. That's got to go on that side of that. Ta-da! And now we have a fixed tire. What do you think?
That's awesome. You're the man.
Thanks.
You're the man. You're the man.
And there she goes. There's the bike. There's the tire. There's the motorbike. Now we're going to try a ride. I tightened these down so it's ready to go. And hopefully it'll be good. Okay, here we go. We're going to try this baby out. There's Dave. Let's go down and see Dave. All right, looking good. This is Dave, the dog walker, walking some dogs. Hi, Dave.
Hey,
testing out my tire. I just fixed it.
Oh, nice.
Seems to be working pretty good. Check it out. All right. See if it goes flat. Turning. Coming back. I think we're good. I'm going to ride to the beach today and go kite surfing. Take a look at the neighborhood again. Lots of famous people in Delray Beach living right here. It's awesome. All right. If you like this video, check out some of my other ones and subscribe to my channel. Now I can ride up to the beach and go surfing.